So as it turns out, there's actually more legs on the tripod that I've borrowed, so you can actually see now. We've got two small spots where I've burnt through because, you know, not that great, so I'll just patch them up. So final part of the centre section, just going to grind it back, get it nice and flush, and should look good. So, I've had to play about in the workshop trying to find something that I can use for spikes to come out of these temples. The best I can do for the big spikes is an old pickaxe. So I think I'm going to get these polished up and then cut off, welded on, and then for the smaller ones below, just thinking a bit of old rebar that I've got lying around. Again, polish them up, sharpen them up, make them a bit more pointy, weld them on, see how it's going. But I'm also thinking, for the fact I'm going to be hanging it on my wall, I don't really need the back band going around. So I think I'm going to put a plate across with a couple of holes in so I can screw it to the wall. At which point I'll also save myself on having to make quite so many spikes, because then I've only got to make two to come out of the side of his head and two on the other side of his head. So it saves us a bit of work. It'll probably look better on the wall. I'll be able to angle the plate and make it hang just right. And it should be a lot more secure, because I definitely don't want that falling off the wall onto anything walking by. There we have it, first two spikes. I quite like that. I quite like it indeed. Hey, hey. Last of the grinding. Hey, hey, hey. Working a camera with a tripod on by hand's quite fucking hard. Kudos, Mick. So I've cut the back plate. I've got this chamfered down to the right angle so that'll sit nicely on my wall, so I'll get this welded on and then everything should be alright. Little bit of persuasion. Alright guys, here we are, the finished product. I don't actually have the drill bits to be able to drill the holes in the back of the thing to actually hang it. So it's not going up quite yet until I can get to somewhere with actual drill bits that I'm not going to die for visiting. As it stands, it's 43 inches tall, I believe. Doesn't weigh that much. It's going to look fantastic on my wall. I'll get some after pictures. Once I get it inside, you know, I've got a nice little bit that I'll take a few photos on and add them on to the end of the video. But thoroughly enjoyed myself. It's kept us busy, stopped us going stir crazy in isolation. You know, we've all got to do something, why not be creative? Peace. Alright guys, I'm back in from the garden. I just thought for a laugh I'd show you the last camera that I used to film yesterday's part 1 video. As you can see, it is a genuine potato. Alright then guys, big shout out to Mick and Tom over at the Rod and Pollux channel on YouTube. They've got a Facebook page. It's Mick that's lent us all of the video equipment that I used to make today's video because of the potato quality of yesterday's video. It's worked out quite well. I really like the piece. In a perfect world I wouldn't have made it out of gas bottles, but I'm in isolation. That's what I had to hand. I hope you like the build, I hope you like the video. Give it a little wave. I'll see you later. Peace. And life must go on. Life must go on for the first time. This isolation is real. I got to break free. God knows I want to break free, but I must stay home. I must stay home for a long time. 3 months, it's getting real. I want to break free. God knows I want to break free. Make the most isolation, guys. We're fucking stuck here.